Alright guys, what's going on? If you saw my last video, we have the Koenig Renforms, and we have a professional in the house to be mounting and balancing these tires.
I'm thinking maybe we should swap out the old aluminum duck head for the full plastic duck head.
Yeah, it looks a little,
it serves its purpose.
Definitely feels.
Sounds pretty much good as new.
You think you can do this?
Wheel mounting machines, though.
I guess we're gonna find out.
I need a big sign up here. Scratches, dents, and chips are not my responsibility.
That's all your responsibility. You're the guy.
It's not my responsibility.
Man, these look good.
Anywhere in the shop. Need some more fans in here.
Who, Teddy? I invited him here.
Are these directional?
Probably. Don't they say? Don't they have a little arrow that says this goes this way? Man, 235s. These are gonna be meaty.
Mud and snow.
Meaty. Maybe they're not directional. Because look, I mean, it's not like these are both going the same way. Like, they're opposite, you know?
Try to expert performance tires.
These are ZRs.
These are mud and snow.
They're all terrain.
How much performance do you need in the mud?
They are ZRs.
Okay, so here, take this.
Now what?
Go ahead and install that.
The guy was telling me about how you have this tool.
Was it I forget his name. Guy with the tattoos. He's got like gears on his forearm.
No, it wasn't that guy. This guy had a lisp, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's the paint guy.
Yeah, I couldn't understand what he was saying.
Black hair.
Yep.
Oh, you gotta put a little lube on that.
Oh. All right. Now apparently you send this little guy up through here. Twist and shop this guy. You gotta make sure that's on there right though. Take it the whole way down. And then.
What are you doing? What? Pretty sure you put it like on the side.
Put what on the side?
Like bend it, yeah, like that. There you go. Wait for it to pop.
Nice.
Did it pop?
Yep.
How'd that work out for you?
Swanky.
It's always all about having the right tool for the job.
Yeah, where's Teddy at?
Don't forget your cap. Don't leak any air. Probably be really helpful if we move that engine onto an engine stand instead of having it right in the middle of.
Yeah, I was wondering what we're gonna do with that.
All the festivities.
What do you want me to do? Yeah, we should do like a props thing, like on Whose Line Is It Anyway?
Good one. Good one.
Wait, here's a good one. It's like a mushroom. It says if you mount them, you own them.
I'm not mounting them. I don't want them to be mine.
That's what the sticker says. What do we gotta do?
Gotta hit this pedal here.
Does it go slow or is it?
Yeah, it's gonna get nuts. So
is it sitting on there right?
It's going to be, because it's gonna like whenever
so you hold it up so it doesn't like chew off those things.
You can take it off there and then hit the trigger so you know what it feels like. Step on the foot pedal. Okay.
Yeah, because it was gonna like bounce off of that.
Doesn't go too fast. This will be the first new set of wheels. Just hover it a hair over that. Hit it and then push it down. Push it down. Hit it down all the way?
I think so. Nice.
Well, at least it didn't explode. It is made in China.
Has that ever happened to you before?
Never had made in China wheels that I know of.
Yeah.
Now you definitely want to be careful of this. And
I thought that was the guy's wiener. Yeah, I definitely thought that was.
What would you be doing that you get your schween stuck in the tire?
That's what it looks like.
How are you gonna get your schween stuck in the tire machine?
I don't know. Be careful. You know, that's what that means. All right, now what?
Well, now we got to mount the tire on there.
How's that work?
Grab the tire.
Nice.
Grab that lube over there too. Okay, so now those don't have a certain way they got to go.
I don't think so, because the tread's the same both ways.
Spray it liberally all over one side of the tire.
Just on this side.
Yeah. On the inside, right?
You said I said on this side.
Why would you spray it like on
I
the?
don't know, guy.
Like on the outside where the bead is, yeah.
Okay. That's where I was spraying.
You were spraying it like you were putting tire shine on.
I think that was just the overspray.
You got enough on there?
I think so.
Okay. Now just go throw it on the rim. Make sure you get a little bit on the other side too. Try to get a little bit on the inside of that one too. Just a little bit. I want water in your tires.
How do you want to do this?
Just throw it on there.
Now what?
Just work it.
Damn, it's already going on.
This is the easy side. There you go.
You mean like this side of it?
Yeah, just throw it on there.
Now, isn't this where you put this thing?
No.
Use this?
No. Just throw it on there. Get enough lube on there?
I think so.
Don't stand on that. Woo! There you go.
I
Nice.
just bashed my face off of that.
Chipped a tooth.
God.
Oh man. Okay.
Oh man, I definitely pulled something in my neck. Man, these are gonna be meaty. Hopefully these fit.
Hey, if not, you own them.
Oh,
so
man.
you mount them, you own
We'll
them.
make them fit.
You mount them, you get a neck Charlie.
Neck Charlies. Alright, now what?
Now's when it gets a little tricky. That was the easy part.
That was the easy part.
That was the easy part. You say meaty, but I say looks like a 4x4 truck. These should actually be kind of easy because they're not low profile.
These are gonna tuck in real nice.
Sure.
Hopefully. Good thing about Screamo music is the YouTube analytics can never tell what the song actually is. It's just, man, these things are gonna be meaty.
Okay, you got enough lube on there?
I think so. On this side?
Yeah, lube her up a little more. Well, you don't want to struggle. I think we have more lube juice down there. We just have to mix a batch up. Probably gonna have to put the camera down to help you with this part. Gets a little nuts. So now I gotta be the guy not plugging my ears.
Oh yeah. Looks like it's gonna pop right about there.
Woo.
It's always that little free
Oh,
one.
you got another one. That was the bottom one. You still got the top to go. What do you add on pressure?
You always get a little nervous right around the same spot. You gotta wait for the generator to kick on.
The generator?
Yeah, the generator on top of the air compressor.
Man, what do you add on pressure?
Yeah, that's pretty high. As soon
Jeez.
as I take that off, that's when it...
No, if you should maybe wait a second.
Yeah.
I'd give her a second. I wouldn't go much higher. Are you on the pressure? I'd just step away from it for a second. If that machine was on, it would start that wheel and you get busted in the face. Well, that one didn't go as planned.
Tap it with something.
You tap it with something. Hit it with a rubber mallet. Off. Probably just needs a little more pressure. This is where Dave always comes in. He's always the guy that he'll put 120 PSI into a tire and not care because he hasn't seen the videos. What?
This is the noise it made. Is this even working? Is this gonna do anything?
Sometimes they take them off there and bounce them on the ground, but I'd say just throw a little more pressure at her. That's what Dave would do. Yeah, Dave literally, I've seen him put like over 90 PSI on go-kart tires before.
I'm gonna have to walk right into the danger zone.
This is where Dave really shines.
Oh, we're losing.
It looks like it's getting close. What are you at now?
I'm only at 45.
Oh, you can go up to 60, you're fine. You just don't press the thing the whole way down on the pedal, because that starts the quick blast. The bead blast or whatever it is.
Oh, should I have done that before?
No, the bead's already set. Enough, kinda. She's gonna go. It has no other choice. At least you're in a real confined space, so if that does come apart, it's just going to pin you against the wall. What are you at now?
Only 50. Come on!
Oh, it's going to go like a gunshot. It's going.
Is it? We're at 55.
It's really not.
Damn it.
Oh!
We need like some like confetti. Yeah, we should have like had you with
Drop that pressure back down.
Yeah, we should have had you on there with like a like one of those little pool confetti things.
You should just dub that into the video. That was the worst one.
It was the best one for mountain. Worst one for bead snapping.
Best one for popping.
We still got a while to go. She does like to have those little first little trigger pops though.
What are you at on pressure, guy?
Not even 50.
Not even 50.
Is that high?
I mean, that's getting up there. You don't want to read what the tire actually says you're supposed to put in there. It's getting there.
It's a 55. Oh, she's getting. She's getting. That was pretty. There was a lot of confetti in there.
There's a lot of product on that. You gotta watch the video on that one. Oh, you could see it all. You're like in the middle of a snowstorm.
I can't believe people don't get more triggered that like we have this machine and never used it.
Oh, look at how many of these little plastic protectors I have. Yeah,
Man.
tons of them.
Wow. Good thing we used the one that was all scratched up on my wheels.
Now chairs.
I don't know, it's gonna be close. They're definitely thicker than the old ones. Looks thick.